You are still new to YouTube and you have been posting some videos, but you don't see new subscribers, you don't see returning viewers. Hopefully by the end of this video, I can give you my tips and my personal opinions about what you can do to grow your channel, to get higher retention rate and get people to come back for the next one and the next one and the next one. You need to brand your YouTube channel. So what type of YouTube channel do you have? The first thing you need to figure out is, what is my YouTube channel about? Who is the YouTube channel for? And what can people expect from my YouTube channel? So my branding on the Espion YouTube channel is basically me trying my best to take my knowledge from the film and video industry, convert it to YouTube on the things that I have seen other creators do and my 14 years plus on this platform, and try to teach it to you guys so you can hopefully grow your YouTube channel. So here is a good example for a good branding. If I say Disney, you will probably have some characters in your mind, you will probably have some Disney movies in your mind. And if I say Sprite, Coca-Cola, you will probably immediately think about the drink. The thing is, the branding for those companies are the biggest ones in the world. That is because Disney and Coca-Cola has been around for over 100 years. And I don't expect you to make a YouTube channel that lasts for 100 years for you to get branding. No. The reason why I'm bringing up Disney and Coca-Cola is I want you to think about the branding of your channel. I want you to think of your channel and have all of this stuff coming out from your mind. When you're thinking about your channel, you will at least have like 5 different things. So when I think about my YouTube channel, I think about YouTube strategies, I think about how to, and basically everything surrounding YouTube and how I can make videos that can teach someone else what I know from for like 14 years on this platform. So now you have your YouTube channel, you know your niche, you know what your videos is gonna be about and who's gonna watch them. Now we need to figure out the whole branding thing. And my recommendation when it comes to branding is to figure out your YouTube channel's name. If it's like X5387 it doesn't really make sense for people what your channel is about. If your channel is about PC reviews and your channel name is Jake's PC Reviews, then it's a bit more obvious for the audience that clicks on your video to figure out, okay, what is this channel about? Espion, for example, is not a really good branding name. I've been thinking about switching my name to Espion YouTube Teaching or something like that, because then it makes sense what my channel is about. In my YouTube channel, I have it clearly displayed that I'm making videos about YouTube and Twitch. So now that you have your banner and branding and everything, you need to post videos. YouTube doesn't have any information about what your channel is about. The general tip is to post 100 videos, and I know that sounds ridiculous, but after 100 videos, YouTube has some knowledge about what your channel is about. If you are posting a bunch of random 100 videos, one gaming video, one bake a cake video, one PC reviews, YouTube will have a hard time knowing what your channel is about, and it's hard for YouTube to recommend your videos to other viewers because it doesn't really know where to place you in the YouTube algorithm. So I'm not telling you to delete all of your videos and start all over and just post 100 videos about nothing, because if the videos are really good, the thumbnail, the title, the descriptions are really good, you will get views, but it's easier for YouTube to recommend your channel after a few videos. So if you are able to post videos on the regular, be consistent on your videos so the viewers know that this guy is serious about this and they will return to your next video. Because if you post one video, then wait like 2 months and post another one, the viewers that saw the first video are not likely to see the next one because it's been so many months. So yeah, try to just post regularly and it will be good. And of course, try to have a bit of fun. Don't post content that everyone else wants to see and you don't want to make. Make sure that you're making the content that you think is fun for you, and the stuff that you think is fun is often more easy for you to figure out the next video and the next thing that you're gonna do, because if it's something that enjoys you, you will probably have an easier time to figure out like 5 different or 10 different ideas on one topic, and you can continue on the one thing. And please don't do anything stupid just to get views. It will be a one-hit wonder and then you will be miserable the rest of your life. So yeah, that's it. figure out what you're gonna do, figure out your brand, figure out who the videos are for, how you can make this as fun as possible and to fit into your niche, and so you can continue on being consistent, just making good videos and having fun, like I said. If you want to know how you can make people watch your video from start to finish, you should watch this video right here, and please remember to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.